Hello and welcome to Writer's Workshop with me, your host, Mr. Buzza. I don't know if you've ever encountered this before, but let's look at this fella here named Calvin. He finds himself in a bit of a pickle. He's got a writing assignment to do, and he says to his buddy Hobbs, "What am I going to do about this report on bats? You've got to help me, Hobbs." Hobbs says, "Okay, first let's make a list of what we know." "Yeah, that's a good way to start. Great. Number one, what are bats?" "Well, they're bugs, aren't they?" "Yeah, put that down." Number one, bats equals bugs. Are you sure? They fly, right? They're ugly and hairy, right? Come on, this is taking all day. My good friend Calvin is a lot like me when I was his age. I didn't like to put a lot of time and effort into my work. It just felt like this gigantic task that needed to be done, and I kind of had to suffer the whole way through it. And maybe you're feeling that way, or maybe you're a lot more fortunate and maybe you already love writing and you just want to get better at everything that you're doing. We're going to focus on writing a research paper or a research essay. And so today is just your introduction to what we're going to cover in the next 7 sessions after this one. So today we're calling this session 1. And this is just an introduction to the course. So let me kind of give you a rundown, and I'll put it up here on our very authentic chalkboard here. The steps we're going to take, the sessions we're going to go through as we learn about how to write an amazing research paper or research essay. Today, of course, is the introduction. And today I want to kind of calm you down a bit. Some of you might either get stressed over or maybe overly excited. Some of you might think you know the right way to write an essay paper. And some of you might think you don't have a clue how to do this. I've been doing this for a long time. I'm an old teacher who's marked a lot of papers, and I can kind of give you the inside scoop as to what teachers are looking for when they ask you to write a research paper or write a research essay. It all begins with what we're going to learn in session 2, and that's planning. You've got to make a plan. And sometimes it's going to feel like, man, I just want to get this done. Kind of like Calvin. He just starts throwing out these facts that he thinks he knows about bats. But planning is so important. If you make a plan for how you're going to start and finish, the rest of the stuff kind of falls in place in between. So that's what we're going to focus on next week, or in the next session, session 2. Session 3 is going to be how to do research. Safe ways and smart ways for researching whatever it is you need to research. Along the way, I'll just give you a little bit of a heads up. Along the way through this Writer's Workshop class, we're going to end up writing a research paper. It's not going to be for marks, but it's going to be a model for how you can do research papers in the future. Now here's the good news. You can apply what we're learning today and for these next sessions, you can apply it to any kind of a research essay or a research paper. And you might be in grade 4, or you might be in your 4th year of university. And these principles are kind of going to be the same. If you learn to do this now, you're going to be in good shape for a long time. So that's session 3, research. Session 4 might seem like a bit of a weird one. Session 4 is called knowing your audience. The way I'm talking to you right now is different than the way, I'll tell you a little bit about myself. I'm a pastor. That's kind of my full-time job. And so my job is to talk to adults about the Bible and about Jesus. And so the way I talk to them is different than the way I'm talking to you right now. I don't hold a clipboard in my hand when I'm preaching. And I don't wear jeans for the most part when I'm preaching. But you need to know who you're writing for. You need to know the love note that I write my wife is going to be written differently than the email that I have to send to a company who I want my money back from their product. You need to know who you're writing for, and that's what we're going to learn in session 4. Session 5 is about paragraphing. How do you organize all of this information that you've planned and researched for? That's paragraphing. That's when the paper or the essay starts to become a little bit more real. It starts to look like its final product. Then session 6 is going to be reviewing. I don't know about you, but sometimes I finish writing and I don't know what to do with it. We're going to teach you some little tricks of the trade so that you can become an expert reviewer of your work. Then session 7 is presenting. How do you submit this finished piece of work to your teacher or in university to your professor? How do you submit it and know that it is exactly what it needs to be in order to score the best you can on it? So we're going to talk about presentation. And then session 8 might be the most important session of all. We're going to teach you how to celebrate. When you go through all of these steps and you've finished your hard work, it's important to have something to look forward to, not just being done. We need to celebrate that you've learned something, you've created something, and that you're proud of something. All right? So session 8, we're going to teach you how to throw yourself a little party and celebrate what you've done. All right, that's our plan for the 8 sessions that we'll be together. Guess what? You've almost finished session 1 already. So good for you. That's all I have for you today. And I can't wait till next time when we can come together and talk about planning. Wait! I almost forgot your favorite part. The homework. Okay, seriously, when it comes to the homework, every session is going to end with a homework assignment. However, I know you're already at home, and I know you probably don't want more work, so you get to choose how much time and effort you put into these. And this isn't normal homework that I'm going to collect and see if you've got it right. This is actually almost like pre-homework in the sense that I'm going to give you a question to answer or an assignment to do without giving you all the instructions for how to do it really well. Okay? So, let me give you an example. Today, your homework is to make a plan for how you would research and find information about a person. All right? So it's quite vague, and your job isn't to start researching a single person. Tell me how you would make a plan for researching a person. What do you need to know? Okay, I haven't taught you how to do this yet, so I'm hoping that you're terrible at it. All right? I don't want you to be amazing at this because then it just makes me look useless. What we're going to do is we're going to take this information, we're going to take your work, and the next session, we're going to work on it. We're going to actually take what you've got, what you know how to do, and we're going to teach you how to do it better. All right? So again, do this assignment, don't do this assignment. Depends on how much time you've got. You can spend hours on it, or you can write it on the back of a napkin. Either way, I'm not going to mark it. This is for you and for your growth as a writer. So let's leave it there. I'm so glad we didn't forget to give you some homework. We'll give you a little bit each week. So now I'll say see you later, and we'll see you in session 2.